welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. I have come after so many days today. I hope you all will like my recipe. Today I am going to make chatpat mutton curry and it will be very shortcut way. I hope you all will like it. While making the recipe I will show you all the ingredients. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, this I have taken mutton over here 1 kilo. You can see. Today I am going to put some hing. This is hing. You can see this is hing. I will put the hing in this. I will mix this nicely and keep this aside for 10 minutes. Today I am going to make the mutton curry in the karai. So I have put hing. The mutton will cook nicely. Friends, the masala what I am going to use for the chatpat mutton curry. This is black pepper, jeera, garlic, ginger, and this is khara garam masala. This is red chili, dry red chilies. So all this will be ground up and then I will use the masalas. Friends, to make the mutton curry, the chatpat mutton curry, I will use mustard oil. I have put in the mustard oil. Today the mutton curry will be very different and the taste also will be very different. Friends, I have taken bay leaves here. This I will put in. And I have taken 3 pieces of darchini. You can see. Only this I will put. Bas. Nothing else. Now this will fry a bit. And then I will put the mutton in. So now I am going to put in the mutton. Friends, now I will put in the salt. Friends, now I will put in the onions. Here I have taken the onions here, about 7 to 8 onions. It's cut up like this. This I will put in now. Now I will let the mutton fry along with the onions because the water will come out from the mutton now. So I will let it cook. Let the water dry. So I will cover it up. Friends, you can see the water coming out from the mutton. This water will dry. Now there is still water in it, you can see. So this will dry now. Friends, you can see the water is dried up. Even the onion also is cooked up, you can see. Now I will put in the masalas. First of all, I will put some turmeric powder. Then put some chili powder. Friends, the masala which I have showed you, I have made it into a paste. Now this I am going to put in. This is the masala water. This also I'll put in. Now I will let the masala fry along with the mutton. Friends, the masalas turn brown along with the mutton. The masalas fried nicely. Nice scent also is coming out from the curry. Nice aroma. Now I am going to put the water. Now I am using warm water. I will put some sugar in the mutton curry. Little bit I will put the sugar. The sugar, it won't make the curry sweet. It will give it a nice flavor. So the mutton curry will be different taste today. So I have mixed little bit sugar. If you all want to skip it, you all can skip the sugar. But today I am making it this way. Because it will give it a nice taste. The flavor also will be different. I have chopped up tomatoes. This also I will put in now. And let the mutton curry cook tender. Chatpat mutton curry, chatpata mutton curry. Yummy, delicious, tasty. Cover it up. Friends, my chatpata mutton curry is ready. The meat also is cooked tender. It's gone tender also. Now I will take it down. Friends, today the mutton curry is looking very yummy, delicious, and it's made also differently. I hope you all will like it.